Hello boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in the edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, June the 6th, 2023, and I've already solved two puzzles, the 1-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. So two puzzles are left, the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary puzzle. Yes, you are interested in the binary number 6550. 6550. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8, that means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 3 ones. The fourth one should be in the middle. Yeah, cannot be here, cannot be there. Otherwise we have here 3 O's. If I place it there, should be in the middle. So these two boxes should be an O, and these two boxes should be also an O. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Okay. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Then 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. And 4 ones we have here in this column, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the last row, so the rest are 1's. And 4 ones we have here in the last column, so the rest are O's. Finish in 2 minutes. Well. Without comparing again. Well, we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle, the tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.